back to my channel. As you can tell, I have gotten a little bit of a surprise here. So for this Christmas, I asked for a new luggage because first off, my big luggage broke, and the only luggage that I have is my carry-on size luggage, and I do use that all the time, and it's in such great shape, but I figured I needed a little bit more of a variety of sizes with my baggage, and I only have one size right now, so I decided to order a medium away bag. So an away bag is these bags that are like very, very popular right now. They are like all over Instagram and blogs and all sorts of stuff, and they're quite expensive in my opinion, so that's why I couldn't purchase one myself, but I asked for one for Christmas and I received it. So I figured I'd do an unboxing and then first impressions. So on first arrival, this is the bag, and on the top it says, "One for the road." So quite a large bag. And like I said, this is the medium size bag, so we'll see what it is. But I have my trusty dusty, I don't know why the heck I was saying that, my trusty, oh my gosh, this is like a little more difficult than I thought, my trusty scissors, so let's see what I can do. So I'll just talk a little bit while I'm doing this. Long story short, this is like considered a hard shell covered suitcase, and to be honest, I've always been quite skeptical about hard shell cases because I thought that they weren't as good as, oh my gosh, I'm having a lot more, there we go. So I always figured they weren't as good as like regular hard shell or soft shell cases. I heard that they broke easily, but honestly, they are becoming more and more of a thing, and there must be a good reason because they're very popular now, and I figured it was time I tried one because if they're good, I'd like to have my own, you know? So it says, "Now the world is open. You can go anywhere, see everything, go off the grid, out of your comfort zone." Oh shoot. "Or back to your roots. We'll be with you every step of the way, so get out there and stay open." That is so cute. So, I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. So this is what the box looks like right there, and it just has a covering on top of the suitcase, and it says away. So let's open this baby. Okay, so this is what it looks like unboxed. So right off the bat, my first impression is that it's really, really light, which is really good for a suitcase. If you're a traveler, you know how important it is to have light luggage because that really matters. And then over here, there's like a TSA lock, which is really nice. All right, so there is a TSA lock, and it says that there's instructions inside on how to set your own code. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so inside, this is what the inside looks like. Let me see if I can tilt it up a little bit. So there's this pocket, and in this other pocket over here on my left, let's see. It says "You are here." Okay, so this looks like stuff that will teach you how to work your away package or your away luggage. So there's that. So here's this little thing. You can put stuff in it right here, but it also serves as a cover over here. And then there's also this pocket, which is kind of hard to show you, but it has something in here. And to be quite honest, I don't know what it is, and I'm a little lazy. I really don't want to pull that out, only because I don't want to make a mess, bigger mess than I already have. So I apologize. But okay, so on this side, it looks like there's also just like more space for luggage. I definitely feel like this is a very spacious luggage, just like right off the bat, looking at it, first impression. So this is what it looks like off the bat. If you're curious what I got the color sand, I believe is what it's called. And off of that, I really like it. It's really pretty. It looks like it's really spacious and a good size suitcase where it's not like so large, but it's still like a good size. You guys know what I mean. It seems like it's really good material, really light. I like the color of it. I know this is probably not everybody's favorite color, but I figured I would try with this a medium one that's not like black or gray, because everybody has black and gray suitcases. I decided to go with sand, so I figured if I liked this one, I could always grow my collection and kind of do a palette of colors that are like similar. I really like the pink one. I think the pink one would go really well with this. And you can kind of mix and match. Like, you don't have to get all the same colors and everything. It is a 360 degree, which I think is like, you cannot get a suitcase, people, in this day and age without having a 360 turn radius, because you're crazy if you don't. Like, seriously, 360 changes my life. So yeah, first impression is I really like this, and I'm really excited to give this a try. I will, though, in about 6 to 8 months after I go on a few trips, give a really thorough review of how I like it and if I really suggest it to people, because I obviously want to try it out before I'm like, yeah, you should go spend this much money on it, because they are expensive. I'm not sugarcoating it. I think these are expensive bags. I will absolutely use this on a few trips, see how I like it, and return and let you guys know. But my first impressions are really good. I really like it. It seems spacious, really hard, like good material. And also, I like the color a lot. And there's quite a few different colors if you guys are interested. I'll definitely post it down below, like the link to this website. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and let me know if you guys have any Way luggage, how you like it, and what colors you have, because I'd like to know what colors you have. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye and happy travels!